Well, when travelling back through Spain recently, I got the opportunity to visit a company that I'd been wanting to have a look around for a little while. A company called Unimog Import Trucks, who are based in Burgos in the north of Spain. Irina and her partner Antonia were really helpful in letting me have a look around their workshops, see what they do, and also to talk to them about used spares for some of the classic Unimogs, which they had a huge stock of, but a bit more about that in a moment. What was impressive really with their setup is just the variety of Unimogs they were working on, both for private customers and, as we can see here, for things like forestry fire service for bushfires. But as well as doing kind of civil protection vehicles of that sort, they were also doing agricultural vehicles like this U1700, and some work on the axles on this one. But they're also involved with modification, restoration, and converting and supplying overland camper vehicles. A rare sight here, particularly in the UK, which was a 416 Docker that was being fully restored, and really beautiful work, extensive work on the cab, respray, and it's in the process of being fitted out here, and I think the plan was to have a box body fitted onto the back of it in due course. Other Dockers in the workshop as well, with the SBU cabs, and also Antonio and Irina's own overland vehicle, which is the one we can see here. The bus is an unusual one. Is that tourist bus? Is it?
Yes. From Doña Park.
I can see on the side now, from the national park.
Yeah.
So local to here.
It's in Sal, more away than Sevilla.
Okay.
Yes, San
Right in the
Lucas de
south.
Barameda. Yes, in South.
So plenty going on in the yard here, and plenty of Unimogs as parts donors or to be rebuilt. There's even a 407 under here, which is the what followed on from, as you see, it's what followed on from the 421. Never a very common model, even less so in the UK. But really it is an updated 421. And the lovely thing about them when they're in Spain is there's a lot less corrosion. So this one you're doing up for a customer, presumably, are you?
This is mine.
Oh, it's yours?
Yes.
Okay.
I'm preparing for sale.
What's the body? Oh, it's got a tip around. So,
Yes,
yeah.
it was for the winter.
Okay.
And,
I suppose, what are you, 700 metres here, something like that? 900,
900.
okay.
Burgos is 900. Yes.
Well, it's not true that they don't all suffer from rust, even in northern Spain, because at the altitude of 900 metres and mountains not that far north of Burgos, some of these Unimogs were used on winter service, so snow ploughs and salt gritters. So as you can see here, has a pretty detrimental effect on the steel, so typical of Unimogs that are used for those duties. So they also had some Unimogs for sale. Some of these are customer vehicles or vehicles that are in for modification, but others are available for sale. But one of the main reasons I'd come to visit them was not only to get the opportunity to have a look around, but also to find out what they had in the way of spares for some of the classic Unimogs, like the 421 and the 406. Irina was kind enough to offer to let me visit their farm, which was about half an hour drive away, where they had several barns full of huge numbers of used parts that really did make my day. There we've got a 411 on the right and a 401 on the left, so a real early one, and it's actually in pretty good shape despite all the dust and dirt. And the 411, being Spain and a nice dry climate, cab's really good. And that's the thing out here, they're not fighting with rust as much as we are in the UK. This looks like a 401 as well, or is it even earlier? So I wanted to say thank you to Irina for her time and Antonio for letting me have a look around and take me back to the farm and look at all the parts that they have there, and I've been able to pick up a few things I was looking for some of my customer restorations to take back to the UK, so that's been fantastic. So if you're in this part of Spain, or if you're looking for used parts for most models of Unimog, I think Unimog Import Trucks can probably help you. They're happy to ship anywhere around the world. And I'll leave a link for Unimog Import Trucks below the video. Anyway, hope the video has been of interest, and I'll see you next time.